Markets update. Cryptocurrencies see volatile prices after cancelled fork. The price of Bitcoin, BTC, has been on a bearish run over the past 72 hours. After reaching $7.900 the day the SegWit2x fork was cancelled. Since then Bitcoin's market cap has shaved off over $20 billion. And the price per BTC is hovering just above the $6.475 range. Moreover, while Bitcoin has been dipping, at the same time Bitcoin Cash, BCH, has been rallying hard as the currency has reached a high of $1.300 per BCH on November 11th. Bitcoin markets see some bearish sentiment market action on Saturday. November 11th is mirroring the day before, where traders saw Bitcoin markets plummet over 7% in value to a low in the $6.400 range. When markets in Japan and South Korea opened, the price rebounded a touch, coming close to capturing $7,000. But traders failed to reach that point. During the earlier hours of Saturday morning, Bitcoin's price started diving again, dropping 7 legs down to a low of $6.300. BTC trade volume is still holding steady and has been capturing roughly $5 billion or more in trades over the past 72 hours. The top 5 exchanges pushing significant trade volume this weekend include Bitfinex, Bithumb, Bittrex, Bitflyer, and GDAX. BTC technical indicators. Bitcoin's weekly and daily charts are not looking that great as red candles continue to dominate. The two simple moving averages, SMA, crossed paths during the late evening of November 10th. Now the long-term 200 SMA is well above the 100 SMA, indicating the road back to the upside is a long ways away. So far Bitcoin's price has corrected to levels bulls obtained on the 1st of November. Both the Relative Strength Index, RSI, and stochastic oscillators have been heading south for hours, confirming Bitcoin's bear market might be just getting started. Order books show consolidation could happen in the $6.300 to $6.400 region, as there is some good temporary support in that zone. After that, we could see a bounce back to $6.600 to $6.700 if buyers manage to take the reins. If prices continue in bear mode, then a price below the $6,000 region could be on the cards. The key zone to watch is if the displaced moving average, DMA, equals $6,150. If it does, the downward push will likely follow suit. Bitcoin, BTC, prices reached a low of $6.300. BTC is hovering just above the $6.475 zone. The top 5 cryptocurrency markets. Digital asset markets, in general, are following Bitcoin's drop except for Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum Classic, and Tether. Ethereum, ETH, markets are down 3.4%, currently averaging $298 per ETH. Ripple, XRP, markets are down 1.4%, reaching a low of $0.20 per coin. Lastly, the 5th highest digital currency market cap held by Litecoin, LTC, is down 3.2% as 1 LTC is $59 per token. Bitcoin dominance among the entire $197 billion cryptocurrency market cap is 53%, dropping from its previous high of 60%. One notable spike this weekend comes from Ethereum Classic markets, which have seen etc. rise by 25%. Bitcoin Cash bulls push BCH markets up over 57%. Bitcoin Cash, BCH, markets have been on a tear all week long, and even more so after the SegWit2x hard fork was cancelled. BCH trade volume has surpassed BTC's volume at $5.2 worth of BCH trades over the past 24 hours. The currency's market cap is commanding $20 billion right now, and is just $8 billion away from knocking Ethereum out of the second highest position. The top exchanges swapping Bitcoin Cash this weekend include Bithumb, Bitfinex, Bittrex, Coinone, and Corbett. BCH technical indicators, Bitch weekly and daily charts show the bullish momentum is strong but could see a slight correction in the short term. In contrast to BTC charts, the simple moving averages for BCH are opposite. The 100 SMA is above the long-term 200 trend line, indicating the upside swing is not over just yet. However, RSI and stochastic trends are showing oversold conditions as we speak, and some resistance may lead to some temporary pullback. Order books show a nice floor in the $900-1,000 range if BCH market sees some sell-off. If BCH bulls manage to EAK resistance above the $1.200 region, then some smooth sailing to $1.350 to $1.450 could be on the cards. Bitcoin Cash market reached a high of $1,315 per BCH on November 11. Currently, the price is $1.310. The verdict: Bitcoin Gold, BTG, will join the cryptocurrency landscape tomorrow. Overall, the cryptocurrency community is focused on the intense market action happening all across the boards since the hard fork was allegedly cancelled. Global cryptocurrency markets have gone haywire. Most of the digital assets besides Bitcoin Cash and Ethereum Classic are in the red, seeing market losses. Over the past 72 hours, BCH markets have increased by 57%, showing a thrilling correlation between BTC markets. The upcoming week should be interesting to see if the SegWit2x fork still happens with a rogue group of miners, and the introduction of Bitcoin Gold market into the overall cryptocurrency market cap. Bitcoin Gold, BTG, futures are up 55%, averaging $285 per BTG this Saturday. Cryptocurrency markets going forward will likely see some more volatility over the course of the upcoming week. Where do you see the price of Bitcoin, BTC, going from here? What do you think about Bitcoin Cash, BCH, markets reaching $1.300 per BCH? Let us know what you think in the comments below. Disclaimer: Bitcoin price articles and markets updates are intended for informational purposes only and should not be considered as trading advice. Neither Bitcoin.com nor the author is responsible for any losses or gains, as the ultimate decision to conduct a trade is made by the reader. Always remember that only those in possession of the private keys are in control of the money.